Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up for a PayPal account, whether it's for personal use or for your business. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes, so let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com on the homepage. Click on Sign Up. You can use any browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. If you prefer using your phone, you can download the official PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play Store and follow the same steps there. Once the page loads, you'll be asked to choose the type of account you want to create. You have two options, a personal account or a business account. A personal account is perfect for most users because it lets you send and receive money, shop online, and make payments wherever PayPal is accepted. All you need to provide is your full name, address, phone number, and email address. You can start receiving money right away. But if you want to send money or make payments, you'll need to link your bank account or debit or credit card if you're running a company and want to accept payments on your website or in-store. Choose business account instead. This option will require a bit more information, including your business name, address, and your business identification number like an IN or SSN. Keep in mind that you can upgrade from a personal account to a business account later. But you can't switch a business account back to a personal one. After that, you'll need to select your country or region and click Get Started. Not all areas have access to PayPal, so if you're not sure, you can check PayPal's global map on their website to see if your country is supported. Next. Enter your email address and click Next. If PayPal detects that your email address is already linked to another account, you'll be prompted to log in or recover your password if you've forgotten it. Then, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. Every PayPal account requires a valid phone number for verification, so type it in and click Next. Once you do that, you'll receive a 6-digit code via text message. Enter that code to verify your number. If you can't receive text messages, for example, if you only have a landline, you can select the Call Me with a code option instead. Once your phone number is verified, it's time to create your password and agree to the terms. Make sure your password is secure and unique. PayPal handles sensitive information, so you want to keep your account safe. Now, fill out your personal or business details depending on the type of account you chose. If it's a personal account, use your full legal name so there are no issues when you link your bank later. If it's a business account, provide your business address and any additional details requested. After entering everything, click Agree and create account. PayPal will walk you through the final on-screen steps, including verifying your email and linking your payment method. Once that's complete, your new PayPal account is ready to use. You can now start sending money, shopping online, or accepting payments in just a few clicks. That's it. You've successfully created your PayPal account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.